Table 19.3 in your book is a good one to look at for description of the formed elements. And when you look at your microscope slides, mostly what you'll see are erythrocytes. And the next part of this table talks about leukocytes. And there are two major groups. One group is called granulocytes or granular leukocytes, and it includes neutrophils. Now, neutrophils have a weird-looking multi-lobe nucleus, and those will account for most of the white blood cells that you'll see. Eosinophils, you'll have to search for them on a microscope slide. And the main thing that'll jump out at you is they definitely have the red granules and they have a bilobe nucleus. Basophils are very, very uncommon, and you probably won't see them on your microscope slides, but we have a model of it, and they have black granules and a bilobe nucleus. The next group are agranulocytes, and that includes lymphocytes. About all you can see is a nucleus. Monocytes, they have an indentation in the nucleus and a pretty big cytoplasm, and they're significantly larger than other cells. Now, lymphocytes, you can find pretty easily on your microscope slide. Monocytes, you might have to look for some. And on your microscope slides, if you see little specks between the cells, those are platelets. And we have models of them. These are platelets. And you got a clump of platelets here, and they're producing fibrin proteins, starting to form a clot. This is a neutrophil. It is a granulocyte. You can see the granules, although you can't see them on the microscope slide. It has a multi-lobe nucleus. Eosinophils, they have red granules and a bilobe nucleus. Basophils, they have black granules, also a bilobe nucleus. And the agranulocytes, this is a lymphocyte. A lymphocyte, about all you can see is a nucleus, not too much cytoplasm. This is a monocyte. Monocyte, notice, is a bit bigger than a lymphocyte and has a little indentation in the nucleus, lots of cytoplasm. And what monocytes will do is they'll leave the nucleus, or they'll leave the blood vessels, and they'll move into tissues and hang out in tissues, and they'll enlarge and become macrophages. And this is a macrophage. And it's a bit larger than a monocyte, and you still see the indentation in the nucleus and lots of cytoplasm. So this is a macrophage, essentially an enlarged monocyte.